Beliefs in Chinese and Cuban Culture by Sylvia Ma and Diana Iser. To commemorate Buddha's birth on April 8th, Buddhists gather for the Buddha Bathing Festival or Showering Buddha Festival, where people may shower a statue of a baby Buddha as part of ceremonial events, honoring his birth, enlightenment, and nirvana. During these ceremonies, people fold their palms and bow down 3 times to the Buddha, and then use a ladle to pour fragrant water made with aromatic herbs such as cinnamon and cloves over the statue of the baby Buddha. Buddhist centers may often organize a bathing of the Buddha ceremony, followed by a vegetarian lunch for devoted visitors and followers. Sakyamuni Buddha was born more than 2,500 years ago, a prince in the Lumbini garden in ancient India. He realized the inevitable suffering of all sentient beings and renounced the worldly life to become a monk. Realizing universal truths after 6 years of diligent cultivation and attaining supreme enlightenment at the foot of the Bodhi tree in Gaya, India, he traveled far and spread his teachings. And at the age of 80, Buddha entered a state of nirvana. And now each year during Vesak Day, Buddhists around the world observe the bathing of the Buddha ceremony. The showering of the Buddha represents spiritual growth for Buddhists, hoping to rid themselves of inner unwholesome emotions by bathing Buddha with incense soup, freeing them from the dirt and stains of the body and mind to remain pure, inspire compassion and wisdom within. Cuba's religious culture. Saint Lazarus. Santeria is an African diasporic religion that developed in Cuba during the late 19th century. Although many Cubans were forced to convert to Catholicism, the two religions are still parallel to each other, and many Cubans incorporate Santeria practices, although they're baptized Catholic. One practice in particular is that of honoring Saint Lazarus by lighting a candle on his day, having a devoted shrine with money, food, or other offerings. He is considered a healer of physical and spiritual pain, a patron of the poor and the sick. On December 17th, they honor Baba Luai, also known as Saint Lazarus. The day brings out miracle seekers and loyal followers to churches on the outskirts of Cuba's capital, in celebration of the rising of Lazarus, only occurring in the Gospel of John, where he served as an instrument of Jesus and he was a savior. Having been brought back to life after 4 days, Saint Lazarus remains one of Cuba's most popular saints. On the procession, Saint Lazarus Day, stretching kilometers, devoted followers walk, some crawl, or even drag their bodies with boulders tied around their legs to honor the saint. A day where both Cuban natives and visitors gather to appreciate the restored health of themselves, a relative, or a friend. Having made promises to Saint Lazarus, these devoted believers continue making offerings and engaging in prayer. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you liked it.